Likai, Dumelang, Ache, Abusheni. So vandaag I'm going to teach y'all how to open a bottle of wine, right? This kind. I don't know if you guys can see, but I feel like I need a bit of light just to show y'all what I'm doing. So I'm just going to plug in my ring light very quickly and show you guys how to open this kind of bottle of wine. If you don't have a corkscrew, yeah, or a wine opener, yeah. So let's try that. Oh, that's better. Okay, so this is what you're going to need: a wooden spoon, right? You're gonna need a wooden spoon, and then you're gonna need like a small butter knife, right? And then you're gonna need obviously your bottle of wine. And this came through with my bestie, my childhood primary bestie. She bought this beautiful wine for me, and I'm only getting to open it now because nyagoa and ngizogoa ngikhumbula umngani wami. So let's see. So obviously here at the top, you're gonna take your butter knife, sort of like tear off the, yeah, I don't know what to call it, the paper that covers the cork. Okay, so you're making really sure that it comes off easy. There you go. See? You see how this came out? There's the cork, you can see it now, right? Cool, let me bring that closer. You can see the cork. And then I took off the top. It looks like the lid of, you know, my favorite beverage, right? So then you're gonna take your wooden spoon. You're gonna use all the power in you to push down the cork. So you're gonna press down the wooden spoon like so into the bottle. Make sure you have a steady hand. Make sure you're on a steady counter as well, not just the rocky counter, because you're gonna need to use a lot of your. Okay, let me just pull up my sleeves. Then you're gonna push it down. You're gonna hold it, sort of push it down. You'll feel the cork will go down very slowly. You also need to be very gentle. So you're gonna push it down with this wooden spoon. Don't break it. Then you'll see the cork is gonna go inside the bottle. Nyangtola. Cheers. So let me do that, and then I'll show you guys after, because yeah, sometimes it tends to take forever. If the cork is really hard, yes, sokolis. And Ngatile is that type because it's really genuine, proper, and quality wine. With quality wines, also sokola gesan. Okay. So that didn't take me long. That really did not take me long. As you can see, the cork is a bit pushed inside the bottle. I just need to push it further down. Then the wine's gonna be open. So let's try that. I hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. Okay, so the wine might spill a bit like champagne, but don't worry. It's for the ancestors. There. My cork is going down, 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 down. There. If you're gentle enough, then the wine doesn't spill. But I don't know if you guys can see. Let me bring it closer. There's the cork right there. Right? So my bottle of wine is open. Yay! Okay. So looking forward to tasting this honey. Okay. So make sure when you push the cork just so it doesn't come back up and close the wine. Okay, let me get that glass. So I'm just gonna use a white wine glass, guys. It's Sanjaja. I'm just gonna use a nice glass. drops. Okay, so you're gonna pour it just a little bit, swirl it around, give it some air, smell it. Woo! Tastes like ukdagwa, but I love the quality, the smell of well brewed grapes, fruits. Ooh, ooh, it tastes so good. So I'm gonna taste that. Simmer it on my lips. Down it. Oh, this is potent. My friend, thank you so much. Thank you so much. And there you have it, guys. Literally, all you need to open your wine. All you need to open your wine. Without a cork, we did it. Peace out.